This video I will explain how to cancel or pause AutoPay on Google Pay. If you have set up AutoPay on Google Pay, it means Google Pay will automatically deduct money from your bank account for things like mobile recharge, broadband bills, OTT subscriptions, electricity bills, or loan EMIs. If you no longer want that automatic payment to continue, you can cancel it or pause it. Now we will see how to cancel or pause AutoPay step by step. First, you have to open the Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, you have to go to your profile. Tap on your profile photo or initial in the top right corner. This opens your account settings. Then you have to select the AutoPay. Inside your profile menu, look for the option called AutoPay. This section shows all the automatic payments you have set up. Next, you have to choose the AutoPay you want to manage. You will see a list of your active AutoPay agreements like mobile recharge, DTH, electricity, or subscription services. Tap on the one you want to change. Then you can cancel or pause. When you open a specific AutoPay, you will see two options: cancel AutoPay and pause AutoPay. By selecting cancel AutoPay, will stop all the future automatic payments. No money will be deducted automatically after cancellation. When you select Pause AutoPay, will temporarily stop payments. You can resume it later if you want. Next step is you have to confirm your action. Google Pay will show you the confirmation message. Tap Confirm to finish. If you cancel AutoPay, the AutoPay is permanently stopped. You must make future payments manually. If you pause AutoPay, automatic deductions are temporarily stopped. You can resume AutoPay anytime. When you should cancel or pause AutoPay. You may want to use these options if you changed your service provider, you no longer need the subscription, you want to control your expenses, you want to avoid unexpected deductions. I have opened the Google Pay and here you can see the profile. Click on that and here you can see AutoPay. Click on that and here you can see the AutoPay payments details. Click on netflix.com, which is the AutoPay I have set up. And here you can see the AutoPay details: AutoPay limit, frequency, start date, end date, and debit on. Here you can see pause AutoPay and cancel AutoPay.